Hi, I'm Dr. Veenu Sharma. I'll be talking about 6 pillars of a holistically healthy lifestyle. वो कौन से 6 components हैं जिनके अगर हम उन पर ध्यान ना दें तो हम holistically healthy हो ही नहीं सकते. Number 1 is nutrition और healthy eating. पर किस टाइप के खाने को हम healthy कहेंगे? So studies have proven that a food diet that is rich in whole foods, that is about 90% or more plant-based, with no added oil or minimally added oil, is supposed to be best for prevention of lifestyle diseases, and in some cases it can even reverse lifestyle diseases. Second component is exercise. कितनी exercise करनी चाहिए? Minimum of 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity exercise or 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise for 5 days a week is good. And if you want to be really healthy, add to it 2 days of strength or resistance training. Third component is sleep. Sleep is the most undervalued or underestimated, I would say, thing in today's world, because हमें लगता है कि अपने काम पूरे कर लेने चाहिए या नींद तो कभी भी पूरी कर लेंगे, वीकेंड पे पूरी कर लेंगे. But it doesn't work like that, because if you're sleep deprived, sooner or later it's going to catch up with you. So how much sleep is essential? Anything between 7 to 9 hours of sleep is very important to rejuvenate your body and also your mind. Fourth component is stress management. In today's world, who's not stressed? I'm sure, little or big stresses keep coming up in life, but what do we do about it? First thing is recognizing stress, and second thing is learning techniques like mindfulness to deal with stress. Fifth component is healthy relationships. Yes, now it is a part of a healthy lifestyle spectrum. It has been given a separate entity, because if healthy relationships are not there in life, loving relationships, people whom we can bank on, then all other components become kind of meaningless. It's very important to invest time in true, strong relationships and have healthy social connects. Sixth component is stopping intake of harmful substances. Now, if we are eating healthy, exercising healthy, even enjoying a good amount of sleep every day, but if addictions like tobacco addictions and alcohol addictions are there in our life, then somewhere we will not allow our body to be totally or holistically healthy. That's all for now. I'll be talking in detail about each of these components and what all we can do, what all little changes we can get into our life to take care of these and ensure a great health. Thank you.